Greetings, South Georgia Fig family. In this evening's video, we're going to be taking a quick look at our now 1 year and 6 month old Vasilika Melissi Fig Tree. It's about mid to late summer here in Grow Zone 8B in Tilton, Georgia. And about 3 weeks ago, we came out and we actually removed every single leaf that was currently on our Vasilika Melissi fig tree. We did that because, again, here late season, our fig trees begin to look a little worse for wear, and those leaves that have been on our trees since the spring begin to turn yellow and brown and begin to develop a little disease and die off. So when we have a fig tree in our nursery that is actually looking a little worse for wear along this time of year, we come out and we'll actually revegetate that tree, and we'll revegetate that tree by, again, removing all of the foliage from that tree and allowing that tree to completely grow new foliage. I'm going to raise this camera up for you guys and show you guys exactly how lovely our now 1 year and 6 month old Vasilika Melissi fig tree is looking in this 3-gallon container after again being revegetated about 3 weeks ago. Take a look at this South Georgia fig family. Bam! Doesn't she look fantastic? It is August 25th, 2022. Again, late in the grow season. And while most people's fig trees are beginning to look diseased, dead, and dying out, by revegetating our Vasilika Melissi fig tree, it looks like spring here in Tilton, Georgia. At least as far as this fig tree goes. Isn't she lovely? Our Vasilika Melissi fig tree is currently standing about 48.5 inches tall at this point. She has 2 main growth stems that you guys can see, one here on the left and one here on the right. This is actually the main trunk here. We allowed this branch to stem out during the season last season to give this tree a little more form here, and as it grows in, we'll remove these branches that are facing inward towards the center of our fig tree and only allow the outer branches to grow and grow out. That'll leave a lot of extra room in the center of our canopy for both airflow and sunlight penetration, which will greatly reduce the chance of developing any type of disease or mold or mildew on the trunk of our fig tree here. Again, our now 1 year and 6 month old Vasilika Melissi fig tree that we've been growing from a cutting here for, again, about the last year and a half. Currently growing in this 3-gallon container. Here in about another 30 to 45 days, we'll be up-potting our Vasilika Melissi fig tree into a 5-gallon container before placing her in our 20-foot by 10-foot by 7-foot high tunnel greenhouse for the fall and winter months. Thanks for watching. And if indeed you currently are watching this video on our now 1.5-year-old Vasilika Melissi fig tree that we're currently growing in a 3-gallon container, and you're not already subscribed to South Georgia Figs, please take this moment to press that subscribe button beneath this video, the like button, the notification button, and be sure, South Georgia Fig family, be sure to share this video with your friends and family as well. Thanks for watching.